Think about the last conversation you had. You talked, then they talked, then you spoke again. It feels completely natural, almost automatic. But beneath the surface of everyday chat lies a remarkably complex social system. In 1974, sociologists Harvey Sachs, Emmanuel Schegloff, and Jefferson published a groundbreaking paper introducing conversation analysis. They realized that free-flowing conversation is actually a finely tuned speech exchange system. Unlike games, traffic intersections, or courtroom debates, conversation has no predetermined referee or formal laws. Yet overwhelmingly, only one person talks at a time. How do we pull this off without constantly interrupting each other or falling into awkward silences? The author argues it operates like a local economy where turns to talk are highly valued commodities that must be allocated fairly. To build a model for how this economy works, the researchers analyzed audio recordings of naturally occurring talk. They identified a list of baseline undeniable facts that happen in any conversation. For instance, speaker change always recurs, overlapping talk happens, but it's usually incredibly brief, gaps between turns are remarkably minimal, and critically, turn size, turn order, and what people say are never specified in advance. This makes conversation vastly different from a debate where order is fixed or an interview which strictly cycles through questions and answers. Conversation is uniquely context-free, meaning its structure works whether you're talking to a stranger or your spouse, yet context-sensitive, meaning it adapts perfectly to the exact moment. So, what drives this machinery? The system is powered by two main parts: turns construction and turn allocation. First, we build turns using turn constructional units. These can be a single word, a phrase, or a full sentence. As we listen, we aren't just waiting for a speaker to stop making noise. We are actively analyzing the grammar and the rhythm to project exactly when that unit will end. The precise moment a unit finishes is called a transition relevance place, or TRP. This is the golden window where the speaker can change. But who speaks next? The rules of turn allocation dictate three strict priorities at the TRP window. Rule A, the current speaker selects the next speaker, for example, by asking a specific person a question. Or Rule B, if no one is selected, anyone can self-select by being the first to jump in. And Rule C, if no one self-selects, the current speaker can choose to continue talking. Because these rules prioritize the first person to speak, the system creates what the authors called an intrinsic motivation for listening. If you want a turn to talk, you are structurally forced to listen to every single word and analyze it in real time. You have to check if you're being selected, and if not, predict the exact millisecond the TRP opens so that you can self-select before anyone else. And furthermore, conversation forces us to display our understanding. When someone asks you a question, which is part of an adjacency pair, your response inherently proves to them how you interpreted their words. Conversation leaves a constant built-in paper trail of mutual understanding. Ultimately, Sachs, Schegloff, and Jefferson showed us that conversation is a beautifully interactive, collaborative achievement. It is locally managed and completely administered by the people participating in it. By understanding the systematics of a turn, we see that talking isn't just about expressing ourselves. It's a highly sophisticated dance of social coordination that we perform every single day without even thinking about it. Next time you find yourself seamlessly picking up right where a friend left off, remember, you are operating one of the most elegant systems of social organization ever discovered.